Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight prices are a little bit higher. Follow through from yesterday's buying. I think there are three factors that might be affecting this. We could see some short covering after the September USDA report. Number two, we're getting into some technical areas that might be a little positive for some buying. Open interest actually went up yesterday on the higher prices. And number three, we're beginning to look at South American weather. It's kind of early, but it is too wet in Argentina and too dry in parts of Brazil. So we'll see if that has any upside potential. Today we have the export sales report, expecting about 1 million tons, maybe a little more in the beans, 1 million tons or maybe a little bit less in the corn, and somewhere around 450,000 tons of wheat. If we're in a technical market, then we've got November beans trading around 967. The first level of resistance is 968 3/4, then 974. Support's back at 952. So we'll see if we break out of that range. In December corn, we're trading at 354. An upside objective, if this is a positive move, is around 359. First resistance is this 354 area. Support's around 348 1/4. As far as wheat is concerned, December wheat's trading at 447. This is the first level of resistance, then you got 452. Support is around 439. So we'll see if we want to test those resistance levels. Above those levels, we should get into some farmers selling, especially here in U.S. Soybeans and corn. Pretty big debate going on about the U.S. soybean yield based on the record high pod counts, and we'll see in the October report if some harvest data brings that data down. Weather-wise, looks like we'll have a couple more days of dry weather, and then rains move into the western Midwest and southern plains. The eastern Midwest stays dry. Argentina lowered last year's soybean crop to 54.5 million tons from their previous guess of 57.3, and the USDA is at 57.8. That could explain a little bit why they're backing away from the soybean export market. So we've had some technical support in the marketplace. The funds are short. Beans, meal, corn, wheat, and long soybean oil. So we'll see if they want to cover some of that short. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.